Mayen. Titignan po niya ang mga isda rito sa yung shark.
Every fell in, he started getting eaten by a shark. Oh, thank you. Okay, that fish went potty. Okay, I go, ew.
Si Ryan, maling mag-picture.
Oh, he did? I can see why you could just sit all day and watch it. I can see why. But I said no. Well, you know, you can get the kind that are fake. If we have my case, it has another memory card in it. Yes. Did you get the kind that are self-cleaning? No, it's fake. It's not like a real aquarium. Mommy's right here. Watch the story. You watch that real one.
Yan po yung shark, oh. Ding 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 ding.
Ryan, picturean mo.
Ang bagal naman ng photographer na to.
May jason ko.
Ayan po. Ayan po nakikita nyo. Hindi po isda yan. Yan po ay si Mayen po yan. Ayan. At lalong hindi rin po isda yan. Si Ryan po yan. Okay.
Malapit na maubos yung bulas na